Hello, I'm Petru Mathiesonu. I'm the principal of the University of Edinburgh, and I just wanted to say a few words of support for Professor Gregor Majdic in his bid to be re-elected as the rector of the University of Ljubljana. I'm proud to be a member of the International Advisory Board for the University of Ljubljana, and in that capacity, I've been able to see Gregor firsthand working at the university, his leadership skills, his vision and his imagination for the future of the university, and his hard work and his application and his determination to keep the characteristics of the University of Ljubljana intact, but also at the same time spread its reputation internationally. Gregor is internationally respected. We're very proud to call him an alumnus of the University of Edinburgh here, where he did one of his degrees. And I'm very optimistic that if he's re-elected, he will lead the University of Ljubljana on to further success and further prominence, both nationally and internationally. So he's a great candidate for the rectorship, and I would encourage everyone to support him on the grounds of continuity and excellence, and I'm sure he'll take the university on to further successes. Thank you very much. Bye for now.